Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today we're working on building an outhouse. No, actually, that's an old project. We're working on a little log cabin for a fella in Arizona. At it calls it his bourbon shack. So this is my first bourbon shack. We've got a whole bunch of logs that are really bad shape because of a leaky window here. This is one of the original ones. The other ones have been cut off because we're putting a fireplace here. Over in this wall here, we had originally had two windows, and they got butchered when this little log cabin became too small for the pioneer family that was living in it, and they added on in that direction towards my trailer with a building that was even bigger than this log cabin. But anyway, when that happened, this became an interior wall, and they decided that they needed more openings in the wall. So anyhow, this wall is going to be pretty much as it was before. We've got a doorway in the center, a little window over on that side, and that's going to remain that way. So right now we're trying to get the corners up so that we can put the long logs on that will connect the corners. And anyhow, let me look at the plan over here quick. Let's see if this is what I was talking about. This wall. Now, this wall of the building right here this is the way it's going to be rebuilt, with a door in the middle and two double hung windows on each side. This is how it looked before. This is that end of it over there where Hans is working. It had a new window in it and an old window in it, and it made no sense whatsoever. So anyhow, he's replaced a log there that was cut into pieces, and he's working on a dovetail, trying to get it to fit just tighter than heck. And Josh is stacking up short logs on that side because the window goes from there down about 5 feet. Then there's a short section, and then there's a door. I don't think I've got that. That part of the plan isn't in the book behind me, but anyhow, we gotta brace the daylights out of those because there sure isn't much strength in them short logs. But there'll be a stack of short logs like that on that side as soon as Hans is done with this long one. Anyway, that's where we're at with the cabin. We decided to move our little crane over here as we're getting up a little bit higher, and the Bobcat isn't doing a very good job of lifting logs, and so we'll use the forklift down here on this end, and we'll use the crane on the other end. So this is about what we've done for progress this week here. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.